Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people. Don't know if you're a fair read on a Sunday morning in St. Elizabeth. Right now, we're at Hopewell. Nice community. So I just want to take a tour. So I go through Hopewell, Greenfield, peaceful community. So I just want to take a tour with me this morning on the journey of Hopewell and Greenfield. So let's take a tour with me this morning. Drive there now in Jamaica, a place kind of look, you know, that's so green at the moment. So you don't know, we have to just accept anything that Christ give us. So we just past Hopewell Primary School. Greenfield. Trust me, Greenfield. For me, I come at Greenfield, trust me. Don't even hear ants. This place is so peaceful and calm. If you want a peace of mind, you can come to Greenfield. Very calm place. Quiet. There's a difference that the people live this side. So I need to take a tour at Greenfield. Anytime when the people from all over the world you come to Jamaica, you need to visit Greenfield. Very quiet place. not gonna really get any match on Sunday anymore until the COVID virus leave Jamaica. Hopefully soon. Don't know if it's gonna be any church today. This is the Christian Methodist Basic School. Just passing it right here. And the Good News Christian Methodist Church also. Tell about a community here. People them just relax on a Sunday morning. Everybody wants the rain today. Everybody wants the rain today. The skies are looking so dark. St.Elizabeth. My people, you don't know, say true Jamaican vibes. Fair read, doing a tour of Jamaica. Nothing like the country life. Nothing like the country life in St. Elizabeth. This is a food basket. Everybody knows St. Elizabeth. Many different types of food you can find in St. Elizabeth. All over the place. No place like St. Elizabeth. My parish this. Nothing can beat it, you know. Greenfield people them. It's a good look. It's a very good look. And a lot of fishermen in Greenfield also. And this is a church also was destroyed by fire. Yeah, and you realize them get it up and running. A lot of work I'm doing on it right now. So we can't destroy this part of worship and stuff for it. We have to make sure we build it back up and stuff. So this church was destroyed by fire. So currently now they are working on it and it's looking pretty good. It's looking good. So hopefully by a few months from now them can start back church. They can praise them Lord. You know, worship is a must in Greenfield on a Sunday or Saturday. Don't matter which church you go, you have to serve the Lord. You have to put Him first. So we're still there at Greenfield, St. Elizabeth. A lot of peanut plants in this area. A lot of peanut. You don't know say if you're a peanut farmer, money there for peanut. You can't go wrong for you plant peanut. So if you want peanut, you have to come at Greenfield. Acres of peanut plant in Greenfield. Acres of peanut plant in Greenfield. Greenfield, you have to look for Mr. Great Mas Ken. Mas Ken, very jovial. When I come to Greenfield, this man never show me a bad face yet. So when I come to Greenfield, you have to look for Mas Ken, you know. Man so blessed. He is so blessed. All heap of blessings are poured upon him. Still I take a local journey same way. So we want the government look on the community same way. We want all the piece of road right there so because community kind of really nice place. So we want the government to chip in and do some work on that here. So I want to thank you all my people again for taking the tour to Greenfield. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Fire Read, True Jamaican Vibes.